Hello everyone, I hope you can see my screen. So today what I want us to do is to clean these data using agentic AI. So I want us to first look at the data set. So we have first name, last name, email, phone number, and we have marital status. So you can see, yeah, we've done this on purpose. We have a duplication, max read. We have the email, and you can see there are mistakes. So instead of using at here, there's and instead of using hat there, there is like a hashtag. And also in the phone numbers, we have commas instead of dashes. We have commas instead of dashes and things like that. So we're going to assume this data is not clean. So for us to be able to clean this data, we need to use agentic AI. And I'm going to tell you the difference between agentic AI and just using normal Copilot. So when we try to use Copilot on its own, Copilot is going to give us the process of cleaning the data. It's not going to clean the data for us. However, if we use the agentic AI, which is going to be in add-ins, and for your information, please take note that this account, my Excel, is an enterprise account. So if you do not have enterprise account, I don't know if this will work for you. And this video is mainly for small businesses that do not necessarily want to get someone to clean their data or work on their data for them. Maybe you have a small business and you want to do all of these by yourself. That is why I'm making this video. So you can go to add-ins, and here you can type Excel Lab. So when you see Excel Labs, then you should add it. So this is um, an additional feature in Excel. So when you click add, nothing is going to happen. It's just going to look as if, okay, nothing has happened, but we're going to see if it's working or not. So we can now go to Copilot because that adding feature is going to work in conjunction with Copilot. So we're going to go to Copilot. Just going to give it some time. And we have to wait for it. So now that we see this, so it's saying it's giving us different information. This file isn't saved. Save this file as a modern file in order to be able to work with it. But the first thing we have to do, you can see we have chat only here. So if it's chat only, it means all we can do is we can use just Copilot. But because we have a feature which is an add-in somewhere, we can change it from chat only to allow editing. So we're going to click on allow editing, which is going to change a lot of things. And here is going to ask us, okay, what, let's edit your workbook. So you can see it's not working on chatting. Now it's saying, let me do this for you. So we can say, yeah, clean this data set for me. So it's giving us something. So if you do not have your file saved, it's going to say, okay, this file has unsaved changes. Consider saving the file before continuing. So I'm just going to click on save here. And the moment we save it, then Copilot will be able to do something with the data. And what Copilot wants to do with this data is to clean it for us. So we're just going to give it some time. If nothing happens, as you can see, you can give it that instruction again and say, clean this data set for me. So you will notice something has happened, obviously, and it's giving us a summary of what it's done. And sometimes your co-pilot is going to ask you further questions that how do you want me to deal with this? So it happens, but here it's just doing it using, um, I think, a rule of thumb in this case. So now it's saying your data set has been cleaned. Here is a summary of the changes made in case if you don't like something, then it's, yeah, you can reverse it, or you can ask it to say, okay, give it back. So it's saying the issue invalid email, and it's giving us the row, the location of where it is, invalid email, phone format, and also duplicate row. So, and it said the final clean data set, your data set now has 10 rows, one header, plus 9 records with all emails in valid format using at all phone numbers in consistent format. So now it's assumed that the dash is the consistent format and no duplicate entries. So this is really a game changer, and I hope you enjoy.